Hello everyone, today I'm taking this video, just want to share you my small idea. I got this idea when I make the tutorial, the last tutorial. Just a little change, so a lot of procedure will be very similar to my last video. If you are interested, you can click here. So I don't want to repeat the procedure like how to set up the table skirt, put on the fabric, and tie the floral foam on the tables. I don't repeat it. So if you are interested to know the detailed procedure, click here. Okay, now let's directly to make the decoration. The following, I will use this type of flower wine. Just directly tie the flower. Tie the flower wine on the iron clip. Okay, and then we need to clip the iron wire on the chiffon fabric and our table skirt. We clip it from the table skirt just because this table skirt can hold the wine to avoid drop off. So we need to clip it from the table skirt. Okay. Okay, and then we need to adjust the flower because it looks a little messy. Okay. Adjust the flower is very simple because there are iron wire inside the wine, so you can ready to adjust the length of the flower by red on the main branch. And the flower direction. Just make it look natural. Will be okay. Okay, then let's check the effect after I adjust the flower head. And for the following, I will show you another idea when I preparing and I taking this video. when I take this video, I just got a very small idea also, because I found this white are so matched with our white table skirt. So I will show you the effect about this decoration, and then okay, let's check the effect firstly. Okay. Okay. The effect may be not much good. I will adjust it again and put some flower. Insert the flower on the flower foam. So let's check the total effect, the final effect. Okay, completed. Look. I adjust the floral white. I forgot to put on the candle. Adding some candle, the come out will be much more pretty, even though they are small candle. I forgot to put it on the table for my last tutorial, so the effect, if I put them on the table, the effect will be much more pretty. Okay, since I only have the green color, but the green color of candle are matched on this design. Put more candle, larger candle, the come out will be much more pretty. But as you know, I only have these 3 candles. Okay, let's check the effect. The come out is very pretty. If the one floor white is a little bit thin, you can use 2 white. So the design will be much more full. Okay, and when I making this decoration, during the procedure, I suddenly got a new idea, a very little small idea. So I will show you the following. Because I found this floral white are so matched with our white table skirt. So I will try. If you are interested, you can keep watching. But actually, this is today's tutorial. Okay, let's go to my next idea. Okay, look, this is my small idea I just got when I taking this video. Because I found the white and the flower color are so matched with our white skirt. In fact, since I just have 1 white on hand, if you have 2 white, cut the little branch and twice them to make some branch soft and some branch white. The come out will be much more pretty, I think, but I'm not sure. Make something long, something short. Use 2 white. Cut some of the small branch and twice together. Okay. If you this small idea, the effect is a little bit clean, a little bit simple, but very pretty. I like it. So I take this video to show you. I'm not sure if we put candle on these 2 sides, what the come out would be. But anyway, okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.